Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you search name into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you just simply have to open your Facebook application. And after opening the Facebook application, you can see this magnifier option into the top right side just beside the plus icon. Simply click into the magnifier. And from there you just simply have to enter the name of the person that you are searching for and search the name. Then after searching the name, go to this people's option here. And from here you can find the person that you are searching for. Simply open the profile of the person. Check if that person is the one that you are searching for. By following these very easy steps, you can search anyone into the Facebook by using their names. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.